We almost died.
In the house, we almost died. So I'm potting, and all of a sudden I hear this beeping throughout the house. Not just downstairs, but upstairs too. Like all four
Everywhere,
of the monitors were beeping. And then I stopped. I went up there. Like, what the fuck is going on? And the main one that was blinking red.
Yeah, it's like
At the end of the podcast, I went up there. I go, just yank it. And as they yanked it, it said a little ominous thing. He goes, you have carbon monoxide poisoning.
It's a carbon monoxide detector?
Yes.
Yeah, and everyone was saying we have to evacuate, and Tito Bobby's like, no, I'm gonna play my game.
Yeah, but then I guess the second concern would be dying. If I die, I die. Cal called the gas company. They came over.
Right.
And guess what?
What?
No carbon monoxide.
Well, that's a good thing.